ट्रम्प को हम बोलना चाह रहे, तुम में अगर इतनी हिम्मत है ना तो वो बंद कराओ जो जेनोसाइड हो रहा है गाजा में। बकवास बंद करना बंद करो तुम। मैं 6 जंग बंद कराया, चले जो दुनिया, सारी दुनिया देख रही है अपने घरों में बैठकर जो जेनोसाइड फलस्तीनियों का हो रहा है, रुकाओ ना उसको। हिंद रजब एक बच्ची है, मालूम आपको, उसकी गाड़ी के ऊपर 300 गोलियां चला इजरायली फौज, 300 राउंड्स। बोलो उसके ऊपर ट्रंप क्यों नहीं बोलते? उसके ऊपर जेनोसाइड हो रहा है, सारी दुनिया के घर में लाइव टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है जेनोसाइड, उस पर नहीं बोलते मैं ये बंद करा, मैं वो करा। अरे क्या तुम क्या एम्परर हो दुनिया के? तुम्हारी बात को क्यों सुनेंगे? तुम एक लिमिटेड टाइम के लिए 3 साल के तुम प्रेसिडेंट, उसका तुम चले जाएंगे। बंद कराओ गाजा की जेनोसाइड को। नहीं बंद कराएंगे क्योंकि पूरे जायनिस्ट को तुम सपोर्ट कर रहे हो।
Sir, you had previously cited India's obligations under Genocide Convention that they should support Gaza. What do you expect from?
No, the minimum, the least that the Modi government can do is that they should condemn this genocide of Palestinians in Gaza, and we are forgetting West Bank. 40,000 Palestinians have been uprooted from their homes. These Zionist supporters say, no, 7th October happened. What about West Bank then? How is it that 40,000 Palestinians have been uprooted from West Bank? Every day their houses have been removed, demolished over there. Why can't the Modi government, if they really stand with Global South, they should condemn this genocide being perpetrated by this fellow called Benjamin Netanyahu, who's a threat to the world peace.
Do you think on the famine side also the government can do?
It is a man-made famine in Gaza. People who go to collect food have been shot dead. And the whole world is seeing. Everyone is seeing, but no one has the courage to put an end to this genocide. Me and you have not seen the Holocaust done by Hitler to Jews. But right now we are seeing, which is being live telecasted in our homes, whether through TV channels, through our phones, through various social media websites. But no one is stopping the genocide.